Yes, people, we are here with the biggest shoe of autumn 2019. You can probably tell straight away by the box what's inside here, and I'm not gonna lie, in person they're even better than the photos. But before we get into the box, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because you're an absolute legend and it really does help the channel. So let's take a closer look at the Travis Scott Nike Air Jordan 6. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a premium box. We've got a lovely red sheen coming all the way on the inside. Nice car key upper as well. It's just a banger. But the box itself isn't as good as these. So straight away, as soon as you get them out, you can see you have two pairs of spare laces, yellow and black. But I'd personally stick with this car key. And this shoe is unreal. Starting off with the materials itself, they have a nice suede nubuck all the way across the shoe, and it's buttery to touch. I think I'm falling in love with this suede right here. And coming around to the heel counter, we have the Nike Air logo on the left shoe, and as you can see, Cactus Jack on the back of this one right here. So as you know, with the Jordan 1, the Jordan 1 low, and the Travis Scott Jordan 4, these are ridiculously hyped. I did say that they're the biggest shoe of the autumn, and there's no denying that they are. With the hits of infrared coming all the way across and the car key color palette and the signature details that Travis Scott has put on them, it's an unreal shoe. We're talking 3M hits on the underlays here and here, but rather than just talking about them, I'll tell you what, let me get my phone. Take you some nice little behind the scenes shots right here. Let's turn on a little flash and oof, and then on this side as well. Oh my Jesus. So as soon as you're in the club with these, not that you'd wear these in the club, when those strobe lights are hitting them, you're going to be glistening. You're going to be standing out in these bad boys right here. The standout feature has to be the extra little packet that we have on the sidewall here. We have more Cactus Jack branding on the inside. And then I don't know why he keeps doing this, because the Jordan 1 had the secret pocket. This one's a bit more obvious. And I don't know what you're going to be hiding in here. Let me know in the comments below, because it's the perfect size for certain things. Also boasting a nice glow-in-the-dark sole underneath. I'll tell you what, if you wear these in the club, you are going to be standing out like something else. We've got bright green glow-in-the-dark. We have 3M all the way across, and we have infrared hits. For a car key shoe, I've never seen a shoe that glistens as much as this. And it's all the hidden details that really make it what it is. On the toggle, we have more Cactus Jack branding, and guess what? Oh, that was kind of difficult because of the nice canvas on the tongue. We also have more Cactus Jack branding hidden once again underneath the Jumpman insignia. So if you're hoping to cop a pair of these, which I'm pretty sure you are, they're £209 and they're only available via raffles. So guess what, because I'm a nice bloke, I'll leave a link down in the description for a full raffle guide from the sole supplier. £210, but if you want to pay resale, they're going to be a madness. The Jordan 1 lows and the Jordan 4s are all selling for about £700 to £800. The initial Air Force ones sell for ridiculous money, and the Jordan 1 with the reverse swoosh, that's over a bag now. So if you're looking to cop these to resell, which you shouldn't because you need to wear your damn shoes, you are making a very pretty penny on these right here. Fitting true to size, the Jordan 6 is an absolute banger of a shoe, and Travis Scott has absolutely killed these. Best of luck if you're hoping to cop. They do release on sneakers on October the 11th and then further retailers October 12th. And all the best to you out there, because let's be honest, there's going to be many L's. So let's comment an F down in the comments below for all of us that are about to take a massive L on these amazing sneakers. I've been Chris from the Sole Supplier. This has been the Travis Scott Nike Air Jordan 6, and I'll see you very soon for another unboxing. And while you're at it, hit that like, share and subscribe button. See you.